Hey there, tech enthusiasts. This is Dean here from Raqmedia.com. In today's video, we will be reviewing the new TCL P735. Welcome back. This is a 4K Ultra HD TV that's available for a very affordable price. So it's a great option for those who are looking for a good value. In this review, we'll be taking a closer look at the P735's picture quality, performance and features to see how it stacks up against other TVs in its price range. First of all, let's unbox it, as it comes with a well-protected package, including all the necessary accessories. From the back in here, you notice that it consumes over 90 watt and goes for 50 to 60 hertz. This model is 43 inches. From this side we have the power plug. Or the AC in. At the bottom we have the power button. You can press it on or off. You have the two speakers that come with a Dolby Surround decent sound quality. As we said in the package, you will get all the necessary accessories, starting from the remote control, which has really a sleek shape and very light, and also it has very advanced features that we'll explore later. It also uses a microphone with which you can control your TV by voice, and shortcut buttons which are very practical. Here you will need the AAA battery. Next you have the supports, the two supports. You can check our separate tutorial on how to fix them properly. Next we have the power cable, almost 1.5 meter. And at last we have the connectors. We also have these sticks to block the common interface socket with this label that you are not using, to avoid insects entering and damaging the TV. Next we have the screws to fix the support. Also it comes with a 2 battery AAA for the remote control. And at last we have the warranty and the guidebook. It is recommended that you check the guidebook before using your TV if it is the first time you deal with this kind of TVs or smart TVs in general. You'll find all the important notes or best practices for your TV and for a better experience. Great, let's plug in our TV and turn it on. As we said, this TV comes with an official Google TV operating system. Means it is supported by Android updates. Guys, that's the main home. First of all, we need to set our TV. Let's first check the system and change from French to English first. It comes with a bunch of applications which are already installed, but you need to be connected in order to use most of them. You can also watch the satellite TV channels, as it is equipped with a TVB receiver that you can set up, connect your cable and start using it without the need of an external receiver or Android box. Let's start first with the picture quality. The P735 has a native resolution of 3840 by 2160, which is the same as most other 4K TVs. However, what sets the TCL P735 apart is its use of quantum dot technology. Quantum dots are tiny particles that emit light in a specific color, and they can be used to create a wider color gamut and more accurate colors. This results in a picture that is more vibrant and lifelike than what you will get from a traditional LED TV. The P735 also has a high peak brightness of 600 nits, which is more than enough for bright HDR content. However, I did notice some blooming around bright objects and dark scenes. This is a common problem with edge-lit LED TVs, and it's something to keep in mind if you are planning on watching a lot of HDR content, high definition and resolution content. Overall, the P735's picture quality is very good for the price. The colors are vibrant and accurate, the blacks are deep, and the HDR performance is solid. However, the blooming around bright objects and dark scenes is a bit of a letdown. Now let's move on to performance. We'll be installing some of the games. The P735 is powered by a quad-core processor and 2 GB of RAM. This combination provides smooth performance for everyday tasks such as streaming movies, browsing the web and playing games. I didn't experience any lag or stuttering during my testing. The TCL P735 also has a built-in Roku streaming platform. This makes it easy to access streaming services like Netflix, Hulu and Amazon Prime Video. The Roku platform is also very user-friendly. So you will be able to find your favorite shows and movies quickly and easily. Now let's move on to other great features that you may find in this TV. This TCL has a number of features that make it a great choice for a home theater. The P735 has a high native resolution, which is the same as most other 4K TVs. This means that you will be able to enjoy your favorite movies and shows in a stunning detail. Moreover, it uses quantum dot technology to create a wider color gamut and more accurate colors. This results in a picture that is more vibrant and lifelike than what you will get from a traditional LED TV. The P735 supports HDR10 and HLG. This means that you will be able to enjoy HDR content from a variety of sources, including streaming services and Blu-ray discs. Also, it has a high peak brightness of 600 nits, which is more than enough for bright HDR content. This means that you will enjoy HDR content without having to worry about blown up highlights. At last, the TCL P735 is available for a very affordable price, making it a great option for those who are looking for a good value. If you sum it up, the pros are excellent picture quality, solid performance, affordable price, wide range of features, and user-friendly Roku platform. However, the cons are some blooming around bright objects and dark scenes, and limited viewing angles. Overall, the TCL P35 is a great value for its price. It offers excellent picture quality, solid performance, and a variety of features that make it a great choice for a home theater or a gamer. If you are looking for a 4K TV that won't break the bank, the P735 is a great option. You will find all the links below the video if you want to get one with a very reduced price. So this brings us to the end. For more details, check the links below. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more tech reviews, tips and tutorials. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. Until next time, this is Izzedine. Stay curious and stay techy. Peace.